Last week I had Nathan help me. We replaced all the vacuum lines. So basically all these little tiny vacuum lines we've replaced, and what that's done is the airbox now works. So I don't know if you can see this, but we have, look at that, vacuum. That's, oh yeah, you can see it. Yeah, so vacuum, unbelievable. And now I'm putting in the heater core back, and then I gotta put this whole dash back in. Kill me. Alright, so I'm doing the heater core. Yeah, so I had to take this out because none of the vacuum lines were hooked up, and I had to test if this was all working. And look at this. I think it's a bit of overkill, but that's what I've done. So now I've just got to jam that on there, and then, yeah. Surely there's, you know, there's probably air leaks everywhere, but we're not taking any chances. If I'm replacing stuff, it's going to be like this. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Unbelievable. And then, I don't even think the factory seal was this good. I put another bit of double-sided tape. Oh, look at that. That's going to be sick. Alright, so I wasn't going to bother recording putting this dash back in. I just spent all day doing that, and yeah, pretty fun. I hate doing dashes, I'll tell you that. I've done 2 dashboards in the past like 2 months. I've had enough. So good news is everything works. My only question is, when I put it on floor, nothing is on. But that's something we'll fix later, because when I put it on mix, we've got floor and we've got the floor and, let me pause that. So when I put it on mix, it's basically everything. The air's coming out of everywhere. And then window, so only window, but no, it's really good. Fucking fantastic. So that all works, everything's back in. This radio, I didn't actually, like, I never tested the radio when I bought it, but that works. The only issue is I replaced the 2 speakers at the top, and I think there might be a blown fuse because those 2 aren't working. But other than that, yeah, so I'm going to start including like every single part after the dash now. I'll probably record and upload, but I did not want to record doing the dash, and it's just not exciting. It's just boring. Like, what else? No, that's it. Now now I need to actually plumb the heater box, because right now it's not connected. And finally, like, having this in just feels so good, because when it was all taken apart and it just, oh man, it just sucked.
Get it?
Wait, listen to this.